Hello everyone. Today we will be solving a question of LRDI. This is a blood relation question. The question is on the screen. Let's read it and see what it is. There are 8 members P, Q, R, S, T, U, V and W in a family. These 8 persons belong to 3 different generations such that there are 3 married couples while 2 members are unmarried. Each couple has at least a child. Without going further, let's draft a basic family tree. What could be the possible options? Then we will move forward and try to understand it. All right. So let's see what could be the case 1 depending on the data we just read. Okay. So case 1. M1 married to M2. Further, they have 2 children such that M3 is married to M4 and M5 is married to M6. M4 and M5 are siblings. M3 and M4 have a child M7 and M5 and M6 have a child M8. This is the first possible option. 3 married couples, 2 children, both are unmarried. The case 2. M1 married to M2 and M3 married to M4. M2 and M3 are siblings in this case. M2 has a child such that M5 is married to M6 and they have a child M7. M3 and M4 have a child M8. These are the 2 possible options. Let's read further and first use the case 1 to see if it works for us. Further, it is known that each of these 8 persons works with a different company among A, B, C, D, E, F, G, and H in any order. V and R are the only siblings. The first connection that we found here, V and R are the only siblings. So here siblings are M4 and M5. So V and R. Moving forward, in the family, U, W, R and S are of the same gender. So if we get to know any one gender, we will get to know the other 3. W and V do not form a married couple. Now we know that M3 cannot be substituted with W. Okay, the person who works with A is the mother of the person who works with F. The first relation we are getting is person working in company A is the mother of person working in company F, who in turn is a female. It means the person who is working in company F is a female. Plus denotes male and minus denotes female. V does not work with E. It means company E is not associated with V. And his daughter, the next relation we find that V is the father and he has a daughter S. Now since we know that S is a female, it means all 3 are females. Here R is also a female. R is substituted, S is substituted, W cannot be substituted in place of M3. So what is left is U. So U is the wife of V. And the next couple that is left is M1 and M2. Here one of them has to be a female. So this W is a female here. Moving forward, R works with B. It means B company is associated with R. The person who works with G and the one who works with E belong to the same generation. Now, this is the only line we can see here where we can associate 2 companies, G and E, because they are of the same generation, first thing. And second thing, we can allot the companies to S and U because they said A mother and F daughter. So here S is working with company F and U is working with company A. So we do not have this line also available to us. This is the only possible line we have for G and E. Reading further, the person who works with G is a female. F V is also a male, and M6 will also be a male because R is the wife, so husband has to come here. So this option is out because both the members are male members, whereas we need one female member to work in company G. Let's look at case 2 now. Siblings M2 and M3, so V and R. V is the male, R is female, S is V's daughter, and we know that U is the only possible option to fit into this place where, as V's wife. And okay, W is missing for right now. We do not know where to allot W. Let's read further. We know the companies. S works in F, U works in A, R works in B. Let's read further. The person who works with G is a female, whereas the person who works with E is a male. Now we have an option because this is going to be a male and we do not know about this person yet. This is going to be a male. So these two are the possible options, but G and E can be substituted only in this line. Reading further, the person who works with C is the maternal grandfather of Q. Grandfather relation exists here. We do not know if Q is a male or a female. V is the grandfather and grandfather works in the company C. Reading further, grandfather of Q, who in turn works with D. It means Q works in the company D. Let's see what are the companies we have allotted. A, B, C, D, F. E is left and G is left. Now, since this place is also out, the only place left is M8 for a female to take place. So we'll say W is here. And we do not know who is the male member, M5. W works in the company G and this male member works in the company E. Now the company left is H. So M4, the male member, works in the company H. Reading further, T works with H. It means T is the husband and P left is S. S's husband is P. Now our family tree is complete. Let's look at the questions. Which company does W work with? W is working with G. So option 2 is the answer. We have H, G, F and A as the options. So G is the answer. Who among the following is the spouse of the person working with E? P is working with the company E and P's spouse is S. So out of the options R, S, W, and fourth option is the person works with E is unmarried. So S is the option, option number 2. Moving further, which of the following persons form a married couple? Let's see. V and U. Yes, V and U are married. S and T, no, that's not an option. R and T, yes, R and T are also married. So more than one of the above. Fourth option is the correct option. Which of the following statements is or are definitely true? U works with A, correct? W is the daughter of P. No, W is the daughter of T, so this option is out. Q is a male. We do not know whether Q is a male or a female, so this option is also out. More than one of the above is not possible now. So first, U works with A is the correct option. I hope this resolved your question. Thank you.